Hello guys, welcome to the English Easier with Eric. In this video, you will listen to some daily English conversations in different situations and places. Definitely, you will learn useful vocabulary, phrases and improve your English speaking and listening skills. Let's take a look.
Transport. Hey, have you heard about the new transportation initiative that's being proposed?
No, I haven't. What is it about?
It's a plan to improve the public transportation system by increasing the frequency of trains and buses, building new subway lines, and expanding bike lanes.
That sounds like a great idea. What are the benefits of the initiative?
The benefits are many. For starters, it will make it easier for people to get around and reduce traffic congestion. It will also help the environment by reducing emissions from cars. And it will create jobs by hiring more drivers, mechanics, and engineers.
That's a win-win situation. How is the initiative being funded?
The initiative is being funded through a combination of government grants, private investments, and a small increase in taxes. The government is also working with private companies to find innovative solutions to reduce costs and improve efficiency.
That sounds like a well-thought-out plan. I hope it gets implemented soon.
May God bless you.
I got the job.
That's wonderful news. Congratulations.
Thanks. I couldn't have done it without your support and encouragement.
It was nothing. You deserve it. May God bless you and your new job.
That means a lot to me. Thank you.
You're welcome. I know you'll do great. Just keep doing what you're doing.
I will. Thank you for always being there for me.
Anytime. That's what friends are for.
What's your phone number?
Hi, I'm sorry to bother you. Can I ask for your phone number?
Why do you need my phone number?
I wanted to get in touch with you about something important. I promise I won't misuse it.
I'm sorry, I don't feel comfortable giving you my phone number. I don't know you.
Oh, I understand. I was hoping to discuss a business opportunity with you. I saw your profile on LinkedIn and thought you would be a good fit.
In that case, why don't you send me an email? I'd be happy to hear more about this opportunity.
Sure thing. Thank you for your time.
No problem. Have a great day. A set of books is on the table. Wow, what's with all the books on the table?
I'm starting a book club with some friends. We're each bringing in a set of books to share with each other.
That's a great idea. I love reading. What kind of books are they?
Mostly mystery and thriller novels. There's also a few self-help books in the mix.
I've been wanting to read this one. Can I join the club?
Of course. The more the merrier. We're always looking for new members.
That's great. When's the next meeting?
Next week. I'll send you the details.
Thanks. I'm looking forward to it. I love getting together with like-minded people to discuss books. Politician.
Hey, have you been following the news about the new politician that's been making headlines lately?
No, I haven't. Who is it?
It's a young and dynamic politician who has been making waves with their innovative ideas and progressive views.
That sounds interesting. What kind of policies are they proposing?
They're proposing a wide range of policies, from tax reform and healthcare reform to environmental protections and criminal justice reform. They're also pushing for more government transparency and accountability.
That's a lot to tackle. What are people saying about the politician?
People are divided. Some are thrilled with the politician's bold ideas and fresh approach, while others are skeptical of their ability to implement their plans. There are also some who are concerned about their political views and their potential impact on the country.
That's not surprising. Political views and opinions are always a source of controversy and debate. Regardless of what people think, it's important for politicians to engage in open and honest discussions about the issues that matter most to them and the country. Smart ways to improve your speaking skills.
Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. Some loose shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight.
Smart ways to improve your speaking skills.
Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. Some loose shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose.
And that's it for today's English lesson. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning videos. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below and we'll do our best to respond. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future English lessons. And if you want to take your English learning to the next level, check out our channel more often. Thanks again for watching and we'll see you in the next English lesson.